All right, so I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm just waiting for everything to come in the mail. And, you know, I ordered a bunch of stuff from a bunch of different places, but I got some 4-gauge Sky High car audio OFC, and I got some of their lugs in the mail. So I'm gonna do a little review on this crimper that I bought. I was gonna get one of the cheapos from eBay, but I figured, you know, buy once, cry once, so. I think I can cut a little more wire off. I got my son recording for me today. Just a few strands. It's good. So, all right, now I'm gonna go over here, and this is what I got. I ordered the Klein cat number 2006, and it's for basically 4 through 4/0. I already did it with 1/0 and it works perfectly, so we're just gonna do it with the 4/0 and see how much. All right, make sure it's on there good. And you really don't have to use that much force with this one. That's why I like it. So set that to the side. Things on there. I ain't going nowhere, so I'm gonna get one of these little Sky High booties. Turn that down a little bit. There you go. All right. So hopefully I'll be posting more videos soon, but I have to do some traveling for work and pay for all this car audio stuff. So until then.